Hi there, my name is Jelle Wieringa and I'm one of the security awareness advocates for KnowBe4. With the holiday season coming up, it is that time of the year again for us to start buying presents for our loved ones. And what better way is there than to do this online? It's convenient, it's fast, and it's easy. Now, most of those websites that you use to order your gifts from require you to create an online account with them. To do this securely, please make sure to use a different and complex password for each of them. Because if you don't, a bad actor only needs to hack into one of them to potentially gain access to all of your other accounts that use the same password, putting your digital identity and your finances at risk. To make it easy on yourself, you can use a password manager to keep track of all your login details. And since 'tis the season of giving, maybe give a password manager to your loved ones. That way, you can all safely enjoy the holidays together.